Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. She's back, she's ready this time. She has jewelry on and it's 1:30 again in the morning. Raat ko. Girl got a new mirror so she can look at herself and don't question at whatever this is, but yes. She's back, she's ready this time. I'm gonna go feed the fishes now because I forgot. सब ऊपर आ रहा है मेरे को. Oh my god, busy हो गया. This is my time. It's so freaking cute. Baby rays. मैं adults also. कोई adults नहीं रखा. Fish food break. Okay, I'm gonna go. Right here. Don't even ask about the mess. And also I got my nails done. Whee! So cute. So today we're gonna do the unrecognizable makeup. Let's attempt to do that. I already did that. I already did that. On my Instagram, but I did not post a tutorial. Let's get started. I'm gonna leave out all the moisturizer and thing because I'm gonna do moisturizer obviously, but not the skincare because I'm gonna take a shower as soon as I'm done with this video because it's night time, raat ho rahi hai, to yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. So I'm not gonna do any skincare, skin prep, whatever. I'm just gonna put on some lotion so my skin is moisturized so I can do my makeup nicely and it doesn't look patchy. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower real quick after this. Also, it's hair wash day, so don't bother. I'm gonna throw on a wig after my makeup. I'm gonna wash my hair later after this. I moisturize my face now and my lips because I don't want crusty lips or put lipstick on my crusty lips. So I'm gonna take a medium coverage foundation. Take any. I think मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही डाल दिया. Oops. Now let's blend this. Why is my nose so itchy? The face is gonna look like you have something on it. If you're gonna do the non-recognizable makeup look, you're not gonna look recognizable. I'm gonna jump to eyebrows because you're gonna do makeup, do whatever step you're comfortable with. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I accidentally shaved half of my eyebrows. So yay, interesting. After that, I'm gonna take a brush and a black eyeshadow and draw the tails of my eyebrow, which is again gonna be thin because I always like, you can't even see it. Great. Now I'm gonna take a concealer and a flat detail brush. It's actually a nail art brush, but I use it for carving out my eyebrows or क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Crease? I don't know what it's called. I forgot. I'm just gonna do under my eyebrows because we need that to highlight. Same to the other side. Good. This is how I look now. And now I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna blend using a concealer brush. And I'm not gonna drag. I'm just gonna pat this. Like that. And I'm not gonna do contour or bronzer using cream contour or whatever. I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna use powders later on. So now I'm gonna do my under eye, which is scary. We need a lot. So I got my nails done, okay? And I got these gems on, but the nail art person did not top coat the gems. And I asked her to do that, but she said, no, it'll be fine. If it falls out, let me know, we'll fix it. I was like, okay, fine. I got it done today, by the way, in the afternoon. Not even 24 hours, 2 of the gems are missing. They're gone. And I did nothing. I absolutely did nothing. I was just rotting in my bed, scrolling reels, nothing else. Starting ka base you can do however you want. It does not matter. Khali aage ka part matters a lot. So you just do your regular makeup or makeup base, like base foundation, or you can do contour or whatever, however you like. But I'm lazy. There's a hair on my face. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna blend my under eye. You can add blush. You don't wanna add blush, don't do that. It's fine. Even my nose contour, I'm gonna do that later with powder. मैं बाद में करूँगी. I don't wanna waste time because anyways I've used a lighter concealer, so that works as well. I forgot to remove my kajal beforehand. So now it's a little grey, but it's fine because there's gonna be a lot of layers on this anyways, and it's gonna be black again here. I mean, not black, but like a smoky look. Let me just blend this and come back. Now comes the very scary part. To bake this, I'm not gonna use a translucent or semi-translucent powder. I'm gonna use powder foundation. Yes, I'm using L'Oreal Paris ka infallible powder in the shade Rose Sand. You wanna take a powder puff? Don't use jo andar aata hai. Don't use that. Use this one. A lot of people won't prefer this. Do you do? You do you, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna really get that shit. I'm not gonna tap the excess out. No, we want all of that powder. Load it up. But dark circles, who? Who? Now do the same thing. For this part, I'm gonna... After we're done with this, take a powder brush, bronzer, contour, whatever you have. I mean, thoda blend bhi kar do, which won't move for a while, but I need to stop doing it. But oh my god, crazy, huh? Also, a lot of people just do idhar and leave it. No, do this. It's that simple, bhai. It's that simple. Again, take this brush, your foundation brush or whatever. It doesn't do a lot, but stay delusional, you know. After we are all powdered up and looking absolutely crazy, we're gonna take setting spray or makeup fixer, whatever you have, which has a dewy finish, not the matte finish. This will blend in or, you know, do something to the powders. Now we're gonna... Do I have to say anything? I mean, thoda sa वापस से take your powder and do that, and take the back जिधर कुछ है नहीं. Extra setting spray को ये करना है. This is the base. We're done with the base. Now let's get on to the eyes and then the nose. I hate doing the nose. Let's do the eyes first. Take your eyeliner. And now I'm gonna very barely, very tiny line. It's very hard, but try. Like that. Same with the other eye. Now, this is the hard part. You need to do like jo teardrop hai, wo same. You see your invisible line? Wait, do I have a patla brush or something to show you? No. Mera ungli bhi same. You see this line, this shadow? You need to follow that, okay? If you don't have it, all the best. But try to do that. I'll show you. I'm so scared. Okay, it wasn't that bad. I spoke too soon. But it's fine. You know what? Scratch that. Don't make that line thin. You see that? Now do that on the same other eye. Wait, I'll be right back. I need... I did it. Now extend this line as much as you can. Like that. Like basically draw a different eyelid waterline. I fucked up a little, but it's fine. There you go. Now you take this patla brush again. Don't take this. I'm gonna take the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals and use this shade. And I'm gonna this under eye. You can't even see it. There's no purpose. I just do it for my liking. Okay, now for the I don't know how to say that. I'm not even gonna try to attempt to say that because I'll butcher it. I'm gonna take this brown shade, the dark brown, and this is it's supposed to be warm. Now this brown is warm. This brown is warm. This is a cool tone. How you can see it's a bit grey. It's a cool tone brown. So take a cool tone brown if you can attempt or try to see the difference. And draw the shadow. Like that. So kawaii. See, now it looks like you have a bit bigger eyes. Now take this shade, a bone white shade, and thoda sa shimmer shade bhi with the same brush and go above the shadow you created. So it's basically highlighted. Just like that. Put it in the inner corner as well. Amazing. Show-stopping. Wow. And if you're lazy like me, take the brown eyeshadow and just scratch that. I'm gonna do an eyeliner. Why? Take the black eyeliner again and draw a wing. You can go dramatic as well. Okay, fine. Now I'm gonna take a chapta fluffy brush, like it's thoda chapta. Take the same grayish brown shade, lighter, and do this. See? Nice. I'm gonna drag this line thoda under. Just like that. Quick, very quick. I'll take that chapta brush again and take the dark grayish brown shade. And it's okay if you're messy. It's fine. Same with this side. Like that. So you are like smoking, you're not smoking, but you're smoking. You're gonna play with a lot of cool browns when you do this look. Don't use brown wala brown. It looks very bad. Trust me, I tried. So take that same fucking brown again. And you see this crease? इधर जब ये आँख ऐसा bend होता है उधर you're gonna blend the shadow and then pull it नाक के पास. Pull it इधर से नाक के पास. क्या करना है? पुल करना है इधर से नाक के पास. So you have the shadow. See? Now I don't have a tissue, so I'm just gonna do this to take the excess eyeshadow off, or you can take another clean brush, which I don't have now, and blend this. Please clean your brushes before you blend it, or else you're gonna end up with a very bad looking eye and it'll look like someone punched you in your face. You don't want to look like that, do you? Unless you're going for that look. You go, girl. Good for you. This makeup look looks crazy, so it's fine. And do not drag it down. I repeat, do not drag it down on your nose. You don't want two fucking stupid lines on your nose. I sound like a tuition teacher or something like that. So mat karo. See how there's a harsh line? Let's get rid of it by doing this. The stupid harsh line is still there. In case how I fucked up here, don't be scared. Take a little bit of this and do this. And that stupid harsh line is gone. It's not gone, but let's pretend it's gone. Stop idhari. Don't drag it down. And now, you're gonna take this chapta brush now. Again, clean the excess of ease. See kitna product I have here. See? Please. See, this was supposed to go on your nose. You don't want that on your nose. Take this brown. And now, idhar ek टुचुक. इधर एक टुचुक थोड़ा सा ऊपर and here. See, you have that illusion. You go down on your nostrils. Don't go down on your nostrils. Don't do that. Like that. ये अभी इधर एक डब्बा शेप करना है, ठीक है? It looks fucking weird, but ठीक है. And then now नीचे से you drag up. See that shadow? Drag up. Now you have a dabba nose, a button nose. Use this pencil brush and do this. Yeah. Go under the eye as well. Let her cook, guys. Let her cook. मैं घर पे बैठ के पागल हो रही हूँ. मेरे को बाहर जाने के लिए कोई नहीं रहता. So I'm just in my room, rotting, scrolling reels, eating chips, and doing nothing. I mean, that nose is about to take the fuck off. रुको अभी और बचा है. The nose that will like literally tie it all together. Like now I'm gonna take this patla brush again. Wipe off the excess on your skin or a tissue or whatever you have, or your t-shirt or your shirt. And ये line दिख रहा है? Carefully place that there. See? And now don't continue ऐसा ऊपर. Place इधर. In a ulta triangle. I mean, what else, bhai? What else do you want? What else do you even want? Everyone say thank you, mother, in the comment section now. I'm just kidding. do it. Now that I cooked with the nose, let's overcook it. I forgot to do bottom lashes. This is more scary, trust me. Do downward strokes. Overlap it, do whatever you want. Just make it look good, right? With the eyeliner bit again because eyeshadow happened. So it's a little less black. This is how it's looking. Now let's do the upper lashes. I can't do that eyebrow. See how good it looks? Thank you. Thank you. Now I'm gonna go get my lashes and I'll put them and come back. So I'm back with my lashes now. Let's put lenses in. I hate putting lenses. I mean, it's not that it's difficult, it's just I feel uncomfortable with lenses on and I somehow feel tired with them on. I don't know why. Now I'm not gonna pop this right in. I'm gonna take the lens solution. I just do this. And now now that I'm done with my lenses and my eyes, let's move on to lips. And I'm not gonna use any lipstick. I'm gonna use this same eyeshadow palette. Take the shade with this flat brush and do this. थोड़ा सा overline करो. Kylie Jenner who, after you have done with the shadow, take this brown again. See? And then you're gonna take this warm brown, light brown. Just like that. If you feel that ज़्यादा brown दिख रहा, light brown, put थोड़ा सा dark brown. Just like that. You're almost done. For the piercings which I used, I'll just get them and be right back. So some psycho gifted me this. I don't have itna piercings, but I'm gonna take, as I don't have septum piercing, I had one more laying around somewhere idhar. Unscrew one side of it, flip it around. ये एक जो बचा है, do that. I'm not gonna do the nose piercings abhi because it's almost 3 a.m. and I'm tired, so I'm not gonna do that. So we're almost done. I'm gonna slap on a wig and show you the final look. Wait, no. I forgot lip gloss. Be right back. I somehow cannot find my clear gloss, so I'm gonna use this gloss. I don't know if it'll work. It's very pigmented. No. I still don't like this, so I'm gonna take this flat brush again, take some black and a bit brown. Where it is? I want the shadow back. I redid my lips, and guess where I found my clear lip gloss? It was right here in front of my eyes. I'm not gonna put lip gloss all over my lips, just where it's gonna shine, either there and just over here. So I'm gonna throw my wig on and show you the final look. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comment section what else do you want me to do for my next video. So yes, thank you for watching. I love you. Bye. Somehow the wig ended up looking worse, so I'm gonna try to tame my natural hair. Enjoy. You ballin', boy.